Should you hire a professional to help resolve your IRS problems? It's a question that echoes in the minds of many, a question as dark as the depths of your coffee cup, staring back at you with the same intensity as your tax return form. Some brave souls decide to face the IRS alone, armed with nothing but their wits and a calculator. Others hire a professional like a CPA, attorney, or EA, but not someone who specializes in tax resolution. The wisest among us, however, know that when navigating the murky waters of IRS problems, it's best to have a seasoned captain at the helm. And that's where a tax resolution specialist comes in. Even if you owe $10,000 or less, have all your income tax returns filed, and can pay the amount due over 36 months with a guaranteed monthly installment agreement. It's wise to pay a small fee to have a professional set it up for you. It's like paying for insurance against a shipwreck in a stormy sea of tax codes. Now you might be wondering, why hire a CPA, attorney, or EA if you owe money to the IRS? Well, here are 4 reasons that might just turn your maybe into a definitely. Firstly, and contrary to popular belief, you do have rights as a taxpayer. Shocking, right? One of those rights is the right to representation. If an IRS officer calls or visits you, you're not obliged to answer their intrusive and condescending questions. You can instead ask for their contact information and inform them that you're hiring a professional to represent you. A tax resolution specialist knows how to protect your rights and negotiate the lowest possible settlement. If you owe between $10,000 and $200,000, the IRS has several new flexible programs available. Each program has its own unique process, procedures, and qualifications. Having a tax pro ensures you're taking advantage of the best options available. Have unfiled returns? That's a federal misdemeanor with a $10,000 fine and potential jail time. But don't panic. Hiring a professional to represent you is the smartest move you can make. It's like having your own personal knight in shining armor to protect you from the IRS dragon. Being audited? The IRS will ask you about 50 intrusive questions. How you answer these questions can make or break your case. Having a tax resolution specialist conduct these meetings without you is the best course of action. So, ask yourself, would you go to court without a lawyer? If representing yourself doesn't seem like a good idea, it's best to hire somebody who knows the IRS like the back of their hand. In conclusion, dealing with the IRS can be as scary as a horror movie, but it doesn't have to be. Schedule a free winning strategy call at irsreso.com and let a tax resolution specialist be your guide through the maze of tax codes and regulations. Trust me, it's a call that could save you more than just a few sleepless nights.